get lost in pieces. You make me levitate. Somebody said it's fate. Somehow you always fix the broken pieces. You are the only thing that is benefit for me. And you are the only one that I ever thought I need. When I'm with you, I'm better forever with you. When I'm with you.
Good afternoon everyone! Nandito tayo ngayon sa podium. Kakain tayo dito sa New by Vikings. Tingnan natin kung sulit pa din ba yung 1,768 na dinner buffet. Okay, pasok na tayo. Let's go to our table. Okay, dito tayo start sa appetizers. So yan yung mga appetizers nila. In fairness, madami-dami rin. Ito, seafood thermidor. Baked oyster. Ooh. Ito yung mga pizza. Truffle mushroom, spicy meat, garlic and cheese, spinach and bacon mini roll. And then here they have seafood paella, baked whole fish, ito, baked chicken with pineapple, and pork belly with wild mushroom sauce. Ito naman, they have the cottage pie. Ako, ang best friend natin, si Lamb. This lamb rendang. And then they have the stuffed squid and japchae. Lipat naman tayo dito sa Japanese section nila. Ito, different types of maki and sushi. Yan. Oh my God, this looks good. Yung mga salmon aburi nila, look, oh. That looks good. And then they have miso soup, chicken teppanyaki. Uy, I like this. British fish and chips, and gyoza. And then here they have vegetable tempura, assorted fried fish, and ebi tempura. Here they have ceviche, curry salad, pickled, ano yan? Peach? Ayan. My favorite, kare-kare. Chicken gayang. Ito. Thai steamed fish. And Thai bagoong rice. And then ito yung section for the noodles. Shabu-shabu section nila. And then this is just plain hot and sour soup, yang chow, pork spicy mango sauce, buttered shrimp, fried whole fish with lemon sauce, bok choy in oyster. Parang hindi naman to bok choy. Actually, mali yung sign. Cauliflower and broccoli to. And this is noodles. Hindi lang kita, pero yeah. There, it's noodles. Spicy scallion dumpling, gyoza. What's this? Different type of roast meat. Wow, they have chicken shawarma. Nice. They also have lechon. And then dinuguan, meatloaf. Or actually, no, this is not meatloaf. Yeah, meatloaf Wellington. Yan, they have the roast beef. They have lamb leg, smoked ribs, and peri chicken. Here they have steak fried rice, corn in a cob, And then, sweet potato. Ito yung different types of dumplings nila. Looks good. Hakao. Yeah. This one. Nice. This one. And last one. Meron din silang make your own pasta station. So, ayan. Tapos yan yung mga sauces. Basil and tomato pasta, creamy pesto, chicken alfredo. Ayan. Ito rin yung bread section nila and dips and spread. Ooh, this looks good. Mukhang mini empanada. Anything na parang empanada, I like it. This also looks good. Baked brie. Ito rin. Wow. And you can also toast it. And meron ding vegetable soup. Okay, this is the dessert section. So you have your different types of fruits. And then make your own halo-halo. Ito pa, strawberry mousse, blueberry, mango, chocolate almond, strawberry mousse, blueberry mousse, chocolate tart. This looks good. Ito rin, apple tart. Parehas lang ng taas. This is their tiramisu. They have the bark chocolates din. Ayan. And ito yung mga ice cream nila. So they have ube, black sesame, bubble gum, chocolate, pistachio, my favorite, avocado, strawberry yogurt, salted caramel, and green tea. So ayan din, different sweets and gummies. And hanggang dito pa pala yung dessert nila. So here you have the creme brulee. Ano to? I don't know what's the name. But yeah, they look good. Ito rin. Ooh, carrot cake looks good. May eclair. Is this an eclair? And then there's Revel bar. And then different types of cakes here. This is an apple cheesecake. Oh, interesting. I like that. Travel cake. Ayan pa. Cream puff pala to. Yeah, and then same lang din dito. Carrot cake, and then I guess red velvet. Yeah. So blueberry cheesecake pala to. Ito rin, kasama to. Mga different types of beers. Yan. They also, I think kasama rin yung wine. Yan. And ito yung mga juice nila. They have watermelon, soursop, kiwi. Yan. This is Four Seasons, house blend iced tea. And, ay masarap to. I remember this. Yung kanilang red wine sangria. And ito rin yung tea nila. Nice. And then, coffee station. And sodas. Yan. Ito rin. That's it. Hanapin na natin table natin. Ay! Ito na pala yung table. Hi, Cyril! You're eating na? Saan ka nakakita ng buffet? Si Cyril may baong sariling fried chicken! Okay, nakita na natin yung selection. Tingnan naman natin ngayon yung quality. Ito yung first round natin. We have the tempura, Tapos this is the roast beef, steak rice, lechon, and a little bit ng beef Wellington nila. And syempre, kare-kare. Ano nga bang tawag dito? I forgot. Basta yung pork na may sauce. Ito, fish and lemon sauce. This is pork and honey glaze, buttered shrimp. Tikman natin. Okay, so nakita na natin yung selection. Tikman naman natin ngayon at tingnan yung quality. Let's start with the tempura. In fairness, okay yung tempura nila. In-expect ko masyado makapal yung breading, pero hindi, sakto lang. I like it. I can't wait. Tikman na agad natin yung kare-kare. Okay. So, kare-kare. Isa pa. Isa pa, para ma-judge talaga natin na maayos. May konting amoy eh. Siguro mga ano siya sa akin. 7 out of 10. Pwede na. Okay. Let's try the roast beef. Ito yung roast beef nila. Ang sarap. Wow, decent yung roast beef nila. Sakto rin yung luto. Tingnan natin yung steak rice. In fairness, ang sarap. Next natin yung lechon. Wait. Lechon. Good din. That's good. Try naman natin yung beef Wellington. Fail. Not good. Next. Ano nga pangalan nito? Hindi may tawag to eh. Nakalimutan ko yun. Ito.
Yung sa Singapore.
Roast pork din to, di ba?
May tawag dyan.
Char siu.
Char-siu.
Char siu.
Tawag.
Good. Sarap yung char siu nila. Ito naman yung lemon, fish and lemon sauce. Hakto lang. Tigas. Okay. Try naman natin tong butter shrimp. Good. Nasa may yung butter and fresh yung shrimp. Manamis-namis. Ito naman, pork in coconut glaze. Good din. So far, good. Yung ano lang, kare-kare. Kare-kare is so-so. Tsaka yung fish and lemon sauce matigas. Okay, next round, Maki and Aburi. Ang pangit ng plating ko, but I got the mini empanada. Excited ako kung anong laman yan. Japchae, the pate, tsaka, I forgot the name nito, pero it's something that you use for the dips. And then I have the garlic and 4-cheese pizza and the truffle pizza. Hi, what are you having? It's good? Rate it, please.
1,000 over.
Wow, 1,000 over 1,000. Okay, let's start with the aburi. Oh, ang laki. Oh my God. Ang laki. One bite lang po. That was the salmon aburi. Masarap. Masarap pa yung lasa ng pagkakator. Next one. Alright, let's taste this. Yung cute na parang little empanada. Harap. Lalo na siguro kung bagong luto to. Malamig na siya pero masarap. Ito yung loob niya, oh. Parang ano rin siya eh. Samosa? I think so.
We're gonna have one marshmallow.
It is samosa. Sarap. Ang labo. From Indian, biglang Korean. Japchae tayo. Sarap ng japchae nila. Natikman niyo yung japchae? Sarap. Okay. Now, let's try the pate. Good. Okay, now let's try the garlic and cheese pizza. In fairness, good to. Okay, next, truffle pizza. Hindi ko pa malasahan yung truffle. Ang tagal dumating ng truffle. Wala pa rin. Okay, next round. Ang gulo ng plate natin, pero we have the pancit, chicken shawarma, dim sum. Ayan, try natin. Okay, dahil mahilig tayo sa pancit, tikman natin yung pancit nila. Oops! Oh my God! Ang alat. Okay. Ayoko nun. Let's try the siomai. Pork siomai was good. Next, shark fin. Fairness. Now let's try the siopao. Ay, ang sarap. They're surprising. I like it. Ang lambot ng goat. Tapos, ang sarap ng feeling. Manamis-namis na maalap. Okay, dessert na tayo. So we have a little bit of everything. Ito yung carrot cake, blueberry cheesecake, chocolate tart. I forgot kung ano to, pero chocolate based din. The cream puff, revel bar. Ito yung travel cake. Curious ako. Mukha siyang okay. This is the apple cheesecake chocolate bars. Let's try it. Okay, unahin natin ang carrot cake. Passion good. Oh. Sarap. Malambot yung bread. Tapos, malambot yung pinaka-cake niya. Tapos, lasa mo yung cream cheese sa frosting. Good. Ang ganda naman ng kanta. Meron din palang entertainment dito. Pakita ko ah. Ayan. Always support musicians. Yung tatay ko kasi musician yon. Sabi niya, pag may nakikita kang tumutugtog, anytime, anywhere, magbibigay ka dapat. Okay, next. Yung chocolate tart. One bite. Oh. Wow. Ang sarap ng crust, pati ng chocolate, dark chocolate siya. Okay. Next, blueberry cheesecake. In fairness, mukhang bake to ha.
Okay, we're gonna try this other now.
Lahat na, ginagamit din natin.
Here's the
Bake nga.
Yes.
Pero medyo matigas siya. Kulang sa cream cheese.
Ganyan ka?
Next natin tong, I don't know, pero it looks good. It's chocolate base with chocolate crust. Good. Cream puff. Kumalasahan. Maybe dahil galing ako sa chocolate pero pangit ng texture niya. I don't like it. Let's try the Revel bar next. Not good. Next, yung apple crumble cheesecake. I have high hopes for this. Please be good. That was good. Bumawi doon. Oh, lasang-lasa mo yung cream cheese. Okay din yung texture, tsaka ang sarap ng crust. That's really good. Legit cheesecake. Okay, next, yung kanilang travel cake. Hindi ko alam ba't nila tinawag na travel cake to. Siya. Ganda nung kanta niya. Let's try the cupcake next. Yeah. So. Now, the chocolate bar. Good. Meron siyang fruit sa ibabaw. Kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal. Good to. Ito naman white chocolate. Okay, last round. Ice cream. So I got the chocolate, pistachio, and salted caramel. Start tayo sa favorite ko, pistachio. Ha? Pistachio ba to? Nagkamali ata si ate, parang bubblegum. Ay hindi, pistachio nga. Natikman ko yung... Hindi masarap yung pistachio nila. Gusto mo tikman?
Pistachio kayo sabi nila eh.
Oo nga, pero lasang tikman mo, lasang bubblegum. Diba? Iba yung lasa. Not good yung pistachio nila. Try natin yung chocolate.
Yung drinks na ininom ko sa US.
Oh.
Parang gamot.
The chocolate is good. Salted caramel. Good parehas. Ang ayoko lang yung pistachio. Favorite ko pa naman yung. But the chocolate is really good. Ba't ang lungkot ng tanog? Happy birthday! Loko na! Natatakot ka! Alright! Hindi ko na video. Okay, try natin yung sangria. Uy, dito pa lang. Sulit na to. Magkano ang isang drink sa bar? It's not, siguro out of 10, mga 8 over 10, ganun siya. Pero pwede na. Ooh. Sarap. What's that, Cheryl? It's halo-halo, zero sugar edition. Yellow lang. Grabe. Ito lang ang nagbayad sa buffet na may dalang sariling ulam. Nasaan na yun? Ayan, chicken. Tapos naghalo-halo ice lang. Grabe, yayaman ng Viking sa'yo. Okay, medyo patapos na tayo. Alamin natin ngayon kung sulit ba yung 1,768 per person.
Para sa akin, sulit siya kasi hindi crowded, hindi maingay masyado. Wide din yung selection ng food. Tapos, parang wala akong nakain na hindi masyadong masarap.
Para sa akin, sulit. Kasi, yung kung steak pa lang tsaka wine, pwede na. Sulit na yun. Tapos, yung only ice cream. Tsaka, sa lahat ng branch ng Vikings, ito yung pinaka-okay.
Okay. Ngayon, ako naman, sulit ba yung 1,768 per person? Para sa akin, sulit siya. Kasi, the way I compute it, kumare mag-eat out ka, isang meal, let's say yung roast beef nila, okay naman. Sa isang restaurant, it can be anywhere from 300 to 400 pesos. Tapos may lechon din sila. Okay din naman yung lechon nila. They have different maki and sushi. Merong alcoholic drinks, different types of juice. Although, hindi ko natikman yung juice. Hindi naman kasi ako mahilig sa mga ganun. Pero, yeah. Tapos, ang dami dun ng mains nila. Although, yung natikman kong mga mains, hindi siya ganun kasarap for me or ka-high quality. Pero still, pwede na. Pwede siya. Tapos, ano pa ba? Different appetizers and they have yung ice cream. So, for me, 1,768 per person, I think sulit siya. Pwede na. Plus, again, katulad ng sinabi ko, always be on the lookout for promos kasi katulad today ulit, meron ulit tayong promo. Ngayon naman, 50% off sila for RCBC card holders, yung Platinum Visa. So, 50% off tayo. Sulit na sulit talaga to. Okay, so that's it for now. We'll see you on the next vlog. Bye!